All right. What we're going to do is in this video, we're going to select our DAW. Now, if you're on a Mac, you can use Logic Pro X, which I have down here, or you can use GarageBand, which is up here. This is more for plug and play right outside the box, you know? This is for users that actually are new to this and that can go and just automatically start using the program. You can actually go and collect your software instruments, create one. You can create, let's say you want to create multiple ones. Looks like you can click details and you can actually click close and then keep adding as many as you want to. Now this is the little brother of Logic. Now since I'm on a Mac, that's what I'm using. So we're using this to get our ideas down. Let's say you have an idea. Okay, so let's say we have a little bit of an idea. You can use this as your first scoring platform just to get your ideas in sketch form down. And then you can sort of upgrade to the Logic Pro system, which is like this. See, you've got even more options at your disposal, and actually you can actually set the number of tracks. You could set the number of tracks that you would need. Let's say you need a 14-piece orchestra. You can go say 14 and then click create, and it will give them to you as all the tracks here. And notice you'll have to go through and change each and every instrument. If you're on Windows or whatever you've got, FL Studio has the same things, Pro Tools, Windows and Mac, you can use those. Anything you've got. So right now, the most important thing to do is select your DAW or Digital Audio Workstation of choice and then go from there. Okay? So you're just going to choose the one that you feel most comfortable using, and we will see you in the next video.